guys, nandito kami at nagre-review po kami ngayon ng mama para sa aking exam bukas at ang re-review po namin ay PLP
Okay.
8.
These are the common use tools paraphernalia in the kitchen. What is this?
Tools para penal.
Kitchen utensil used primarily to measure the volume of liquid or bulk solid cooking ingredients.
Measuring cups.
Are used to measure smaller quantities of liquids and dry ingredients. They are also standard and come in different sizes.
Measuring spoon.
Very good. Is used to remove dirt or lumps from dry ingredients and extract milk from desiccated coconut.
Strainer.
Good. Sa mong konti. Used to grab and transfer food items or milk and gives a better grip.
Serving tongs.
Very good. Used to open a food tin preferably with a smooth operations and comfortable grip and turning knob.
Can opener.
A wooden or plastic board where meat, fruits, and vegetable are cut.
Cutting board.
Are used whipping eggs or butter and for blending graving sauces and soup.
Whisk. Whisks.
Is a container or vessel for food mixing. It comes in different sizes.
Mixing bowl.
Is used to scrap vegetables such as carrots and potatoes and to peel fruits.
Vegetable peel.
Is used to transfer a little or much cook.
Pasta spoon.
Okay. Used to grate, shred, slice, and separate vegetable. Carrots, cabbage, and cheese.
Grater.
Tools that are more complicated are called blank.
Equipment.
Is an electrical kitchen equipment used in mixing ingredients by beating, styming, or whipping.
Electric mixer.
Is a cooking equipment used in boiling fish, meat, or vegetable like corn and sweet potato.
Barbecue grill.
Very good.
Bigyan niyo ng ano.
Is an airtight container cooking food at high temperature under high pressure.
Pressure cooker.
Used for dry heat cooking like baking that may be filled by liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, or electricity.
Oven.
Is an equipment with a low temperature internal atmosphere intended for storing semi-perishable foods like eggs, fruits, vegetable, milk, butter, cheese, and leftovers.
Refrigerator.
Very good. Cleaning is the process of removing unwanted substances such as dirt, infectious agent, and other lot of inspiration to bubulol ako. An object or environment.
Appropriate cleaning tools.
Used for dishwashing and cannot scratch your dishes while you clean them because it is smooth to use.
Sponge.
Pasensya na po kayo at ako ay hirap magbasa kaya parang grade 1.
Gamit po ang aking sulat.
Napakaganda po ng sulat, ate nyo. Hindi ko kayang basahin talaga. Used for spraying detergent or water to any kitchen equipment and surfaces.
Spray bottle.
Covers the whole hand of a person that performs household chores.
Gloves.
Helps in keeping the plastic straws or bottles and any tubes of kitchenware without microbial growth.
Hand brush.
Very good. Help remove the surfaces, rust stains of the utensil like cutlery, ceramic, dinnerware, and any glass and melamine utensil. Helps remove the surfaces, rust stains of the utensil like cutlery, ceramic, dinnerware, and any glass and melamine utensil.
Steel wool.
Very good. Generally electrically handled, which is eliminate dirt from floors and other surfaces.
Vacuum.
Clean the floor without touching unsafe dirty mop hands.
Spin mop.
Very good. Ayan. Ngayon naman po ay dito po tayo sa science. Blank is a phenomenon in which an object changes its position over time.
Motion.
Very good. Is the study of forces that cause objects and systems to move.
Dynamics.
Very good. Is simply defined as the push or pull of an object with a specific magnitude and direction.
Force.
The property of an object to resist any change in its state of motion. This is known as inertia. A body of restore in motion remains in motion. What is this?
Law of inertia. Newton's first law of motion.
Very good. The acceleration of an object as produced by a net force is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force in the same direction as the net force and inversely proportional to the mass of.
Law of acceleration or Newton's second law of motion.
Very good. According to this law, the action is always accompanied by a reaction force, and the two forces must always be equal and opposite. Note that action and reaction forces act on different bodies.
The law of action and reaction or Newton's third law of motion.
Very good. You learn that all objects fall because gravity pulls on them towards the center of the earth. What is this?
Balance and unbalanced force.
Very good. Is the force which is transmitted through a string, rope, or wire when it's pulled tight by forces acting on each end to end. Each end.
Ano niya?
Is the force which is transmitted through a string, rope, or wire when it is pulled tight by forces acting to each end.
Tension force.
Very good. Are forces that are equal in magnitude and in opposite direction so that there will be no motion in an object.
Balance force.
Forces. Huwag mong kalimutan with S.
Walang pasok na sila Justin.
Ay, maingay.
Eh, sabi, bigyan lang ka sa Ari, sa school. Ari, yung baon mo yung nakaraan. Sabi ng iyo ka po.
What is the meaning of Gresa?
G is for given, R is for required, E is for equation, S for solution, and A is for answer.
Blank is a force that acts between surfaces that are in contact with one another. Friction is general.
Friction
Acts.
daw ang sagot.
Very good.
Hindi na sagot.
What are the colors of light?
Roy G. Biv. It is red, orange, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Kulang ka sa yellow. May mali kang isa. Blank is a kind of energy that can travel through space in a form of wave.
Light.
Very good. Is a kind of refraction which provide us with colors of light.
Dispersion.
A transparent optical element with flat and polished surfaces.
Prism.
Blank is the bending of light where it travels from one medium to another.
Refraction. In my
Blank is a measure of hotness or coldness of an object.
temperature.
Grand joke of the
Tuscany.
this
Tuscan.
to scan.
Ferdinand II invented the most common thermometer in 1650.
Very good.
It consists
Ah.
of the mercury.
Phases, changes of matter. Liquid to solid.
Freezing.
Solid to liquid.
Melting.
Liquid to gas.
Evaporation.
Gas to liquid.
Condensation.
Solid to gas.
Sublimation.
Gas to solid.
Deposition.
Very good. Also known as Lord of Kelvin, introduced the third temperature scale, which is called Kelvin. Who's this?
William Thomson.
Very good. Materials expands when the temperature is increased or contract when the temperature is reduced.
Thermal expansion.
Blank, the body is the kumabasa quantity of heat necessary to raise its temperature is by 1 degree Celsius. Heat capacity.